Hello world! Hello to all the visionaries out there. So, how to make money with 0 followers. So, kailangan makita mo talaga to. Kasi talagang marami sa mga nagbi-business online, no, nagkakaroon sila ng mga burnout because they don't have followers. But you can do it by this kind of principles. Yan. So, itong prinsipyo na to, sana makatulong sa'yo and make you some insights na pwede naman talagang kumita. Basta tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Yan. So, let's dive into our video. Of course, hindi mo masasabi na may business ka kung wala kang customer. So, you need to have a customer. So, how can you build your customer? So, para ma-build mo yung customer mo, you need to have a offer. Yan. Offer na magbibuild sa'yo ng customer. So, how can you have an offer? So, you teach them and educate them by having a free content na magbibigay sa kanila ng value. So, yung value na yun, yung mga question nila, yung mga problems nila, na tutulungan mo silang malaman nila through your free content. Yan. So, kailangan talaga, you need to have attraction to your customer. So, syempre, pag nakita nila na ikaw yung nagbibigay ng value at ng mga solution and also answer to their question, so they will stick into you hanggang sa maging ready na sila na bumili dun sa yung product or dun sa yung service na ino-offer sa kanila. So, you need to build your customer through your free content. Yan. So, that is one principle. Okay? Okay, so number 2, we need to build organic growth. So, your organic growth, mangyayari yun kapag ginamit mo yung mga free platform like YouTube, yan. It's an organic growth na pwede mong gamitin yung tinatawag na algorithm, no? Gagawa ka ng mga content and it's a searchable content which is organic. May tatlo kasi sa YouTube channel na kailangan mong malaman. Yung number 1 is yung viral which is yun yung minsanan nilang papanoorin kasi viral sila. And then after that, hindi na nila papanoorin ulit, no? And then number 2, yung depth, yun naman yung mga kakausapin mo talaga, yung talagang pinaka target na person o target people mo or mga customer mo talaga sila. Yun yung mga depth content. And then meron naman tayong tinatawag na evergreen which is yun yung organic growth na lahat naghahanap ng ganong solusyon. So, they will see you, you will be visible to them. So, meron talagang ganon. Actually, sa YouTube, makikita mo talaga na isasuggest ka ng algorithm if those people na nakapanood sa'yo dun sa tinatawag natin na analytics, yan. Yung mga nanonood sa'yo na yung retention nila, no? At ang gagawin ni YouTube nun, dahil nakita niya yung mga retention people na ganito, siyang magsasuggest dun sa mga kagaya nilang tao, no, na naghahanap din ng solusyon na pinoprovide mo. So we need to build that. So I suggest you need to build your YouTube channel so that you can have your organic growth. Yan. So tuloy-tuloy lang kasi sa YouTube talaga maraming nagsisik ng answer at mga solution sa kanilang mga problem. Especially yung mga gusto talagang ma-educate, no, dun sa kanilang mga sarili. So, you need to build a organic growth into your business. That's our principle number 2. Alright, so we have the principle number 3. So, we need to invest. So, what are the investment that we need to do? Is number 1, you need to invest time or money. Yan yung katotohanan talaga sa pagkakaroon ng business. Especially building your online business. Me, sa online course ko talaga, ang pinaka-investment ko talaga is my time. No? My time, my effort, my availability. Kasi talagang kailangan, sabi nga, you cannot produce something out of nothing. No? Kailangan talaga may gagawin kang investment. So, having a business online, creating course online, ang pinaka-investment talaga yung time. But you can do also money if you want. Dahil ako, marami naman akong time dahil I am always available in our home sabi nga sa comfort zone mo sa bahay mo, 'di ba? So I invest more time learnings and education. So yun talaga yung investment mo. So if you want to have your own business online, kailangan magkaroon ka ng investment. If you have a lot of time, then you make your time. If you have money, then make it. So, paano naman sa money? You can have a content, and after that, you can pay ads para makita ka ng iba. But, again, in my part, I am investing a lot of time in my business. Alright, so number 4 principles na tayo. We need to leveraging your connection is a must, no? So, how we leverage our connection? So, we need to tell to people. So, para makita mo yung talagang kailangan marami kang connection, you tell to people, to tell your friends, families, and also in social media. So, individually, we need to contact. Ako personally, talaga, ngayon, I contact every person na talagang feeling ko magkaka-interest o kahit hindi sila magka-interest, I always contact them and share them my idea. It is necessary na kailangan mag-sell ka na sa kanila. Sharing is caring, sabi nga, but when you share your ideas, when you share your business, maaaring hindi man siya interesado, maaaring siya mismo, hindi niya alam yun, but he knows someone na nakapagtanong sa kanya, maaaring niyang may suggest yung business mo. Yan. So, you need to leverage your connection to other people. And also, you can use the social media. You can contact them via messenger or you want to contact them online, di ba? Yung ganun. Or phone, di ba? Pwede mo gamitin yun. But, I suggest na talagang sa contact, dun sa messenger kasi nga, yun nga, mas makikita mo yung kanilang mga profile or makikita mo na itong mga tao na to, maaaring nandun sa niche mo o demographics niche mo, di ba, makikita mo na pwede siya or it might, di ba, maaari na maging interesado siya. Yan. Or, again, ulitin ko, mayroon siyang kakilala na may kailangan doon sa service or product mo. Yan. So, ang pinaka-importante dito is you need to leverage your connection. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang. No, huwag kang magpapa-frustrate. So, again, huwag kang masyadong titingin doon sa napaka-konti pa lang. Siyempre, pag nag-i-start ka, kailangan talaga you start small. But, quality. Yan. So, number 5, we need to invest in growth. Yan. So, we need to invest in growth. So, how can we invest in growth? Kailangan magkaroon tayo ng scalable system. And kailangan talaga makita mo na pag nag-grow na siya, you need to have this kind of sales funnels, yung mga ganun. And then, of course, meron kang sistema, no, and group. Yan. So, ngayon pa lang iniisip mo na yung mga pwede mong i-invest dun sa growth mo. So, in my case, naghahanap ako ng mga tao na pwede ko matulungan. I have an idea na pwede ko sila matulungan. Kagaya ng mga disciple ko na darating yung time pag lumaki na yung business ko, talagang sila yung ilalagay ko dun sa team so that they will know my vision and my mission. Of course, they know my mission and vision. Helping G12 people na magkaroon sila ng sariling business nila. You need to invest in growth talaga. Kasi if you're not growing, if you're not, tawag din na sinasabi natin na pag hindi ka marunong mag-innovate, no, ng business mo, mawawala yung kwenta. So, you need to invest in growth. So, just like us, no, ano ba yung mga investment in growth mo na pwede mo rin gamitin? Learnings, of course. You need to study more. You need to search more. You need to learn more so that you can have a growth. Ano ba yung mga kailangan mo? So, sa business, kailangan matutunan mo yung sales talaga and the system, no, finance system, at yung managing system, no, at yung mga tuloy-tuloy mong ginagawa. And of course, you need to study na may 80-20% na rules, which is yung 20%, yun lang talaga yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng revenue. So, 80% ng mga ginagawa mo sa business mo, pwede mo yung i-delegate sa iba. So, ako nakita ko na unti-unti, nakikita ko na oo nga, may 20% na yun lang talaga yung dapat na pinafocus ng business owner. And then yung 80% pwede niyang i-delegate so that mas marami pa siyang ma-i-add na knowledge and wisdom para sa sarili niya at ma-apply niya pa sa business niya. You need to invest in growth. Ngayon, nagkaroon ako ng isang course pa. Nag-aral ako ngayon ng isang course pa so that I can invest more in my growth. So that I can add it. Especially when I teach people. Yan. So, you need to invest growth. So, that is the principles on how you can make money online with 0 followers. So, tuloy-tuloy ka lang, no? Huwag kang magpapa-frustrate. And again, ulitin ko, you can start what you have now na meron ka. Especially, you need to be willing to invest especially kung wala ka pa talaga, you are solopreneur at nag-i-start ka pa lang talaga with what you have. Yan. So, with what you have. Cellphone, di ba? Anything that you have. Maaring flashlight mo lang yung lightning mo. It's okay. But the very important thing is you share the value, the solution, and the outcome, no, the transformation na makakatulong dun sa mga target customer mo. So, I hope in this video natulungan kita. Again, ulitin ko, tuloy-tuloy ka lang. I'm here to help you to build your own online business because I do believe how important to do the vision. How important to have a freedom to do your purpose. So, if you want to learn more about this business, you can subscribe into my YouTube channel. And if you want to pick into me, you can DM me, personal message me, so you can have my time. I have a free training every Wednesday. If it is available lagi, no? Actually, yung ginagawa ko talaga dahil talagang todo-todo ako sa ministry. Wala kaming schedule ng Miyerkules sa church. I will make myself available for free training, no? Pero pag meron schedule sa church, of course, sa church tayo. So again, if you want to learn more about this, don't forget to subscribe and like and click the notification bell, and please share it to other people, especially to the people, to the G12 people, to all the G12 visionaries na maaari kong matulungan para magkaroon sila ng sariling kanilang business online. So, bye! See you in another video. Bye! God bless!